大家好，这里是你们的老师 Abdul. Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. Today I am here to tell you guys a very good tool which is newly introduced by YouTube. Well, I know that most of my lectures are very lengthy, very long, and a bit boring too. But it's not my fault. My topic is very dry. Learning Chinese language, well, it's not a piece of cake, but I have tried my level best to make all the lectures a bit interesting for you. Anyways, some lectures are very lengthy and sometimes many parts you already knew. You want to jump directly to the main topic. Previously, a big problem that you have to scroll again and again in the video and have to find the correct location from where the lecture is starting, from where the examples are starting. But now it is very easy. In the description of my every video, you will find timestamp shortcuts. Well, this is a new feature by YouTube, and in this feature, what is good? You have a timestamp just in front of the topic name. For example, you want to go to the examples, and in the description of the video, there is written examples, and there is a blue color timestamp. You just need to click on that time and you will be directly jumped to the examples portion of that video. Isn't it good? Actually, I like it very much. So please, in my all videos, I have added the timestamps which will be very helpful for you guys. So keep watching and keep learning with Learn Chinese with Abdul. 再见。